Real estate has tons of moving parts, but some of the considerations that I have in my brain when it comes to dealing with my buyers is when we start to look at residential real estate. Now, whenever they send me a property or I send them a property that looks like it aligns with their needs, the next step is for me to do my research. So I cover what the HOA covers. Are there Melleroos and special assessments? When are they going to run out? Can the HOA increase? Where's the property located? Is it in a flood, fire, earthquake zone? Different things that I know because I've been dealing in Los Angeles and Santa Clarita for a very long time. So these are things I deduce before I take my client. Now, as far as offering price and pricing strategy of the property, I'll have somewhat of an idea, but it takes me seeing that property in person in the flesh when I can then develop a true accurate picture of what this property's actual value is, and then what kind of a corresponding offer should we write in order to give you the best advantage in securing the property while not hanging yourself out to dry and spending too much money going over the particular purchase price and outside of your comfort zone. Now, having said that, it's going to depend on your motivation as a buyer, how far you're willing to go. I'm here as a fail-safe mechanism trying to keep you from getting into trouble. And I will do that by explaining to you why I would do a certain thing. And then you can, of course, fall on your own expertise and those in your periphery to make the best decision. But these are part of pieces of my process when I'm speaking with a buyer, showing them residential real estate. And then when we look at the residence, besides the due diligence I did before even going in, after we get in, then there are other things that I'm going to be looking at. I want to check out the electrical. I want to check out the roof. I want to check out the elevation of the property on the exterior, how the neighbors are impacting this particular property. Are there shared fences or separate fences? And then how does it look? What's the repair factor in the property, and what kind of space do I believe my buyers will be able to take advantage of when it comes to maybe having the seller change, repair, or give credits? But it's going to definitely depend on the market and what kind of contractual obligations my buyers and I have to live up to. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching this little glimpse into the best way to represent buyers. We'll talk to you soon.